Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. So, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7, leaked CAD renders and what to expect. The latest buzz surrounding Samsung's highly anticipated foldable, the Galaxy Z Flip 7, leaked CAD renders have surfaced online, and they're giving us a tantalizing glimpse into what this sleek device might look like. Let's break down everything we know so far. Alright, let's get right into the visuals. These CAD renders, reportedly based on factory data, showcase a design that looks refined and familiar, yet with some subtle tweaks. We're seeing the classic clamshell form factor, but let's talk about the key features that are grabbing attention. The cover display. According to these leaks, we're expecting a generous 3.6-inch cover display. That's a significant size, perfect for checking notifications, replying to messages, and even using widgets without having to fully unfold the phone. This larger display could be a game changer for usability. Now, let's unfold it. We're looking at a 6.8-inch inner display, which is pretty standard for the Z Flip series. Expect vibrant colors and deep blacks, thanks to Samsung's AMOLED technology. This size offers a great viewing experience for watching videos, browsing the web, and multitasking. In terms of dimensions, the leaks suggest the Z Flip 7 will measure 66.6 by 75.2 by 6.9 mm when unfolded, and 9.1 mm when folded. This makes it incredibly pocketable and portable, which is a major selling point of the Z Flip line. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. While these are still rumors, here's what we're expecting: a 50MP main sensor paired with a 2MP secondary sensor. This could mean improved low-light performance and sharper images compared to previous generations. The powerful Exynos 2500 is rumored to be powering the Z Flip 7. This chip should deliver top-tier performance and efficiency. We expect the Z Flip 7 to start at around $1,099. This is in line with previous Z Flip launches, but we'll have to wait for official confirmation. Of course, these are just leaks and rumors at this point. Samsung could always surprise us with some unexpected features or changes. But based on what we're seeing, the Z Flip 7 is shaping up to be a compelling foldable smartphone. What do you guys think of these leaked renders and specs? Are you excited for the Galaxy Z Flip 7? That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.